So the print function is sort of used to to output values in a manner that's helpful to the user. Okay. So let's say I want you to print the sum of two numbers. Okay. So let's say I want to print the sum, or let's say let's do this. Okay. Let's print the product of a and b. Okay. So let's do this. So the way you would actually, when you print, right, the way you would actually do it is as follows. You'd say print, when you want to output something, you'd say print and then some helpful message. Okay, so like the product, the product of, I'm sorry, the product of comma a, comma, and comma b, comma is, comma a times b. Right? So look at this statement right here. What's happening here is this print function has multiple arguments. Okay, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 arguments, and there is a uniform mix of arguments. Okay, so you have a string literal right here, the product of separated, I'm sorry, enclosed within single inverted comma, single quotes. You have variables such as a and b. The and is also thrown in between a and b, right? There is an is, and then you have an expression such as a times b. Okay, and when you run this program, the output is the product of 5 and 3.14 is 15.7. Okay, so do you understand how this works? You can have as many variables, expressions, literals as you like. All you need to do is separate them by commas, and this way you'll have output that looks really pretty, at least to the user. Okay, so you could have said instead, let me comment this line out. So things that I know don't need, I can just comment out. Okay, you just place a pound before the statement and it comments the entire thing out. Okay, so when you run this, nothing happens. Okay, so let me do this. Let me print. Let me show you an alternate way of doing this. So you could also say print, and then you could say uh, 3 decimal. I'm sorry, print a times b. Okay, print a times b, and this will just give you 15.7. Now, yes, it is the correct result, but it's not really helpful to the user, right? The user does not know what this is. Instead, if you had done something like this, if you do something like this, the product of a and b is, what is this, what is this output, it helps the user sort of see, right? This is a more helpful message to the user. The product of 5 and 3.14 is 15.7.